Cortech X base table assembly and installation instructions. You will need pencil, drill with 3/8 inch bit, T45 Torx pin head, L-wrench T45 Torx head, security Torx anchors, flat washers. Step 1. Holes at the top of the legs come pre-drilled. Flip the leg over and drill through pilot holes on the bottom of the leg. Step 2. Once both legs are drilled, slide the two leg pieces together using the center slots. Step 3. Place the assembled legs into the pockets on the underside of the tabletop. Step 4. Insert and start all screws before fully tightening, 3 to 5 turns past finger tight. Step 5. Turn the table over and position it in the desired location. Using a pen or pencil, mark the base mounting locations on the floor. Step 6. Move the table and drill holes in the locations where you marked the center of the floor mount hole. Hole depth should be 2 inches deep minimum. Step 7. Replace the table. Line up drilled holes with the holes in the floor. Install concrete anchor and washer. Tighten 3 to 5 turns past finger tight.